Mommy, look.
It's an egg.
Mommy, Mom.
Is that more?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Holy cow!
Do you see any more?
Never know where you're going.
He's here, Mommy.
Let me see, Reese. Show me.
Show it to
Show me.
Graham.
Ah,
Show
put it.
Reese.
Let me see it. What color is that? It's a pink one.
There you go, Papa.
Oh, you giving it to Bridget?
Bridget didn't find any.
No.
Bridget doesn't like eggs.
Any more?
He's here. He's here.
You're good at this.
Wow. Go find some more. You want to take this? Reese, you want to take the basket?
Reese, do you see any more eggs?
I see some more.
I see a couple more. Reese.
Where's Amos? Oh, right there.
Reese, do you see any more eggs?
Amos is looking for him.